So this is what we're working on today. I need some file handles. This is based off of a London pattern handle. I'm just going to do a turn section here instead of doing an octagon. So a lot of turning, and I don't know how to turn wood on a lathe, so we're just going to wing it and see what happens. So here is the finished handle. Works out to be 5 3/4 long. It is, let's see, 1 1/4 inches in diameter here. From here to here is about 2 5/8 of an inch. This area here is 5/8 by 5/8. And then the ferrule is just a piece of steel that's 3/4 of an inch OD with a 5/8 inch ID. So I'm pretty happy. I've been wanting to do this since November of 22. I just kept putting it off, but finally got it done. So actually I ended up doing 3 handles, and that worked out great because I had 3 files that needed handles and just enough of that Caribbean Rosewood to make them all. If you want to help out the channel, I have calipers for sale. Came in very handy on this project, as well as hammers. This one's a little beat up, but I use it all the time. So at any rate, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.